The donkey calf raise is an excellent bodyweight exercise to build your calf muscles, primarily the gastrocnemius muscle in the calf. If you want to add extra resistance, you can complete this with a weight plate and belt. You can also add resistance by completing the Smith machine donkey calf raise or use the donkey calf raise machine. To get started, place a 3 to 4 inch step beside a stable box, bench, or chair that you can push into for support. With a hip width stance, place your toes on top of the step with your heels hanging off of the edge. Bend forward at your hips to place your hands on top of the box for support. While maintaining a flat back, with your knees straight but not locked, inhale as you slowly lower your heels down towards the floor to feel a good stretch. Exhale as you press the balls of your feet through the step to raise your heels as high as possible as you contract your calf muscles. Hold for a good contraction, then slowly lower your heels back down towards the floor to feel a good stretch. Repeat for reps while maintaining a smooth and controlled tempo and avoiding bouncing at the bottom. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.